And I want to add in there, you're not always going to have the perfect change. Not everybody in your organization is going to be excited, curious, whatever. That's not the aim. It's to constantly navigate and move it and move it forward. And the common language to me is have a shared tool. So this process, if everyone understands the process, they know where they are. So my question to you would be, have you engaged, I think it's Avril, on this very topic to run this type of workshop to help people navigate their personal changes and their changes that you're trying to lead and work. So common language means everyone's speaking about the same stuff in terms of a process, but no, you're not always going to agree. And that's okay too, because there's also a point where you need to say, okay, we do need to move forward. Okay, so if you're all flinging rocks at each other over the change that some people don't think needs to happen, these people think it does need to happen. Yes, as a business leader, you make tough decisions. At some point, it's a case of we are moving forward on this journey, and how can we help you to move with us? So yes, you do get the resistant ones. Without a doubt, and you're not going to convert everyone to be excited about your solution. But that organization I spoke to you about that's implementing AI across the 900 people, it's a tool that's basically threatening a lot of jobs. How do you get everyone on board in that situation? No, you're not going to get everybody on board, but also be more mindful of the leaders who have to come up with a way forward. So strategy is tough. I do strategy with organizations. You don't know the future. You're picking a path. So half of your people can say bad path. The other half can say great path. Okay. At the end of the day, you've got to weigh in, you've got to pick a direction, and you've got to bring your people with you to say, what's the alternative? Okay. So for them, implementing AI, their competitors are going to do it if they don't do it. They don't have a choice here. They have to move forward. They can't stay stuck getting consensus on the way forward. Okay, are we all in a common place? No, not always. Leadership means do the tough stuff. In order for the business to move forward and to survive, no, not everybody's going to like the changes, but we've got to bring them with us. How do we use this little spinning top to do that? Avril also mentioned another interesting thing that Bongi did as well, is who are your influencers? So start spinning the tops of the people with the influence. Okay, the ones that are going to get your change to move forward. Bongi referred to them, and I don't know if it was today or when we were brainstorming, because we just love brainstorming this topic, was the champions of the change, don't pick people who are resistant as your champions, okay? Just unlock where there are people that are excited and curious that are going to bring it forward.